We're gonna open up the gold chart and select the 5-minute time frame. This is my favorite strategy for trading gold. Alright, now from the indicator section, we're gonna search for the CM Public SAR indicator and add it to the chart. This indicator will be showing us the perfect time to enter or exit trade in the gold market. But before using the indicator, we gotta optimize its settings. So we're gonna head into the indicator settings, and in the input section, we're gonna change a start to 0, a step setting to 1, and finally, we're gonna make sure maximum step is set to 2. By tweaking these settings, we optimize the indicator for the most accurate signals on the 5-minute time frame for gold trades. The indicator will work like this. When the first green parabolic dot appears underneath the candle, this will be a buy signal. That means it's showing it's the perfect time to enter a buy trade, causing the price likely about to turn around and move up. Then when a parabolic dot appears above the candle, this means a sell signal, and it's showing it's the perfect time to enter a sell trade, causing the price likely about to turn around and move down. But sometimes using the indicator when the market ain't got a short pattern, it's easy to make the wrong trades. So it'd be best that we utilize the extra tools to verify the signal. This way we ain't gonna waste our efforts chasing improper trades. So next we're gonna use the awesome oscillator to help us detect inaccurate signal. After adding the oscillator, you can change up its color settings from the settings that make it stand out more clear on the chart. Basically, Awesome Oscillator uses its histogram color and position to help us choose the right signals to enter a trade. If the histogram for Awesome Oscillator be green color and its position be above 0, then buy signals be confirmed. And also, if the histogram be red colored and its position also under 0, sell signals be confirmed. Alright, the final thing we gotta keep in mind for entering trades be that we gotta trade in the direction of the market trend. That's why I'm gonna add the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to the chart to do this. Then to optimize the indicator, I gotta set MA1 to SMA and period to 200. Then active MA2 and set it to WMA and period to 45. Then in the style section, I can customize the indicator's appearance however I want. By making these changes to the indicator, I can identify both the long-term trend and short-term trend and trade when both trends are in the same direction, meaning when the price action be above both moving averages, both long-term and short-term trend be up and we get a chance to enter buy trade. If the price action be below both moving averages, both the long-term and short-term trend be down and we get a chance to enter sell trade. Now we gotta review the trading rule. To enter a buy trade, first a buy signal gonna show up, meaning a green dot appear underneath the candle. then the market gotta be uptrending, meaning the price be above both moving averages. And finally, the histogram for awesome oscillator gotta be green color and above 0. So now with all these conditions, you can enter a buy trade at the close price of the signal candle. And for the risk management, you gotta place the stop loss on the first green dot, which is one of the best places to place the stop loss in this scalping strategy. And to exit the trade, a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 be the best strategy to take profit. And to enter a sell trade, firstly we gotta make sure the sell signal showed up, meaning a red dot appears above the candle. Then we gotta check that the market be pointing down by looking at the price be below both moving averages line. We gotta also check that the histogram for awesome oscillator be red color and below 0. So once all these conditions be met, we can enter a sell trade at the close price of the signal candle. And for the risk management, we gotta place the stop loss on the first red dot, because that be one of the best places to place it in this here scalping strategy. And to exit the trade, following a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 be the best method to take profits. But if you're looking for the secret to a simple yet profitable strategy, you definitely don't want to miss this video.